Hi everyone, welcome to new video. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of Melania Trump's fashion life and elegance. From her stunning gown to her chic everyday style, we will explore what makes Melania a true fashion icon. In this video, we will showcase her most memorable looks, her favorite designers, and the secrets behind her effortless elegance. Whether she is attending a high-profile event or simply running errands, Melania always turns heads with her impeccable style. Don't forget to watch all our videos on this channel for more fashion content, celebrity style and lifestyle inspiration. So subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest uploads. Melania's sense of style is a perfect blend of sophistication and modernity. Her fashion choices often make headlines and inspire countless fans. From luxurious gowns to chic print suits, Melania's wardrobe is a treasure trove of style. She is not afraid to take risks and try new things, making her a true fashion trailblazer. Melania's love for high-end fashion is evident in her impeccable taste. Her ability to pull off any look with confidence and poise is truly admirable. Whether she is walking the red carpet or strolling through the White House gardens, Melania always looks stunning. Her dedication to supporting American designer is truly commendable. Melania's fashion influence extends far beyond the political sphere. She is a role model for young women everywhere, showing them the power of self-expression through fashion. Melania's elegance is not just about clothes, it's about attitude, confidence, and kindness. Her philanthropic work and commitment to helping others make her an even more inspiring figure. Melania's fashion evolution over the years is a fascinating story of growth and self-discovery. From her early days as a model to her current role as a former First Lady, Melania's style has always been captivating. She is a true fashion chameleon, able to adapt to any situation with ease. Melania's impact on the fashion world will be felt for years to come. Her legacy as a style icon is already committed in history. Join us next time as we explore more fascination topics in the world of fashion and beyond. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next videos. Let me know if you like me to add anything else, and please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. Take care.